Hello, welcome to ISE 2023. We are at D.A.S audio booth. My name is Javier Navarro, Head of Engineering. I'm going to talk about the new product that we are launching this year. This is the new line array belonging to the ARA family. This is the smaller brother of LARA. The model is called SARA. It's coming with a companion sub, which is cardioid. It contains a single 18-inch speaker at the front and a single 15-inch speaker at the back. System is a two-way system, as you can see here in detail, double 8 and a compression driver. Everything following our philosophy in the last 20 years is active, self-powered, and controlled via Ethernet with the software ALMA. One of the biggest improvements of this line is the real powerful DSP contained in the amplifier that allowed us to not even monitor the system, but also by the use of the software. You follow me. By the use of the software of ALMA, we can create groups of equalization directly on the software. We don't need to just use an external processor. So besides all these features of monitoring and control, we can also EQ directly the systems on the software, which is a great advantage. So for more information, please visit our website, www.dsaudio.com. Thank you.